Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on the Health app and signing up to be an organ donor. Please make sure you click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also visit richclose.com. Okay, the Health app. So white background, red heart. Let's open it up. You need to go into the profile area of the Health app. And again, that's my picture to the right here. You can see where I'm clicking. And then scroll down to organ donation. And I've already signed up. So normally what happens is you actually get a screen here where you can fill out your profile. So I'm going to go in and actually edit mine so you can see it here. So again, a way for you to edit yours if you need to do that in the future. But the screen looks the same whether you edit it or you're going in for the first time. And again, Donate for Life is just a registry. And basically it prompts you for a lot of your personal information, your name, birth date, social security, the last 4 digits of it, email, contact address, right? The normal stuff. And that's really about it. And again, you can remove yourself if you want to, or you can edit your donation preferences in the app. So I'm going to edit my donation preferences. And you can see it takes you off to their website now, where your information is. And that's the same that you had on the iPhone. And then you can set up what you would like to donate. So again, you can then fill out any of the specific details on their website for restrictions or specifics and save your changes, obviously. And there you go. So let's go back to the app. So again, this is taking you off, obviously, to their website. And we'll go back to the Health app. You can also remove yourself from the list if you so choose. If you made changes, obviously, you click the update button and it will register those changes on their website. So again, if you are an organ donor or want to become an organ donor, a pretty convenient place on the iPhone to sign up to donate organs. So again, thank you for watching my videos. Again, please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.